Welcome back to Investing Talk Podcast. Today, we're going to look at XTI Aerospace.
Go ahead.
Ticker symbol XTIA.
Right.
This company is making some waves,
Yeah.
and their stock is surging almost 30%.
Wow. Why?
Yeah. Why is that?
Well, they're right in the sweet spot
Okay.
where innovation meets regulation.
Interesting.
And that's always exciting and
Yeah.
a bit volatile.
For sure. For sure.
So let's unpack this with our expert
Right.
and figure out if XTI Aerospace is a company you should be watching.
Sounds good. I'm happy to dive in.
So
Yeah.
what's happening with XTI Aerospace?
Well, what's happening with XTI is a perfect example of how regulatory changes
Okay.
can create massive opportunities.
Interesting.
They're operating in the vertical takeoff and landing sector.
Okay.
VTOL for short.
VTOL.
Think flying cars, almost.
Wow.
Aircraft that can take off and land vertically.
Like something straight out of science fiction.
It is pretty futuristic.
No wonder investors are buzzing.
But let's get specific.
Okay.
What's fueling this almost 30% stock surge?
So a few things are converging at once.
Okay.
First, the FAA,
Okay.
the Federal Aviation Administration, just formally recognized powered lift as a distinct aircraft category.
Oh, wow.
This is huge GE for VTOL companies like XTI
Okay.
because it paves the way for more widespread use and commercialization.
Huge.
It's like the floodgates opening for this type of technology.
So it's not just hype.
Right.
There's official backing now.
Exactly.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
But how does XTI fit into this?
So XTI is developing the Trifan 600 aircraft,
Okay.
which is what's really turning heads.
So I found 600.
Yeah.
Okay.
Imagine combining the speed of a private jet
Okay.
with the versatility of a helicopter.
Wow.
This thing can take off and land vertically.
You're kidding.
No need for long runways.
Really?
It's designed for efficiency and speed,
Uh-huh.
particularly for short-haul travel.
Okay.
A market ripe for disruption.
Okay, I see why people are excited. Yeah. But a stock surge that big
Right.
usually means more than just a cool product.
Yeah, you're right.
What else is going on?
There's more to the story.
Okay.
XTI recently underwent a 1-for-250 reverse stock split.
Wow. 1 for 250.
Yep.
Okay.
This is a strategy companies use to boost their share price and meet listing requirements like those set by Nasdaq.
Nasdaq.
It signals to bigger investors that XTI is serious about playing in the big leagues.
It's like a makeover to attract the Wall Street crowd.
You could say that.
Smart move.
Yeah.
But can they back up the hype?
That's the million-dollar question. Yeah. They've got a solid plan.
Okay.
Their 2025 strategic plan is all about dominating the VTOL market.
Okay.
And with the FAA giving powered lift aircraft the green light,
Yeah.
they're definitely well-positioned.
Okay.
Plus, they recently launched a public offering
Okay.
of over 363 million shares. Wow.
At $0.055 per share.
Wait, so they're selling a ton of stock at a really low price.
That's right.
That seems counterintuitive when the stock is doing well.
It might seem that way.
Yeah.
But they need that cash infusion.
Okay.
The goal of this offering
Yeah.
is to raise roughly $20 million.
$20 million.
That's crucial for addressing a key challenge they're facing.
Which is liquidity.
Liquidity.
You mean their ability to cover short-term costs?
Exactly.
Their current ratio,
Okay.
a measure of short-term liquidity,
Uh-huh.
is sitting at 0.46.
0.46.
That's a pretty big red flag for some investors.
Clearly.
It suggests they might struggle to pay their bills in the short term.
Okay.
So this public offering is all about getting the cash they need
Okay.
to fuel their growth plans and stay afloat.
I see.
It's a bold move, but it comes with risks.
So it's not all smooth sailing for XTI,
Right.
even with this incredible technology.
Yeah.
And the FAA backing them. It sounds like they're walking a tightrope.
They are.
What are the biggest things investors should be watching out for?
Well, it's all about execution now.
Oh.
Investors need to keep a very close eye on how XTI uses the money from this public offering.
Yeah.
Is it being used wisely to actually develop the Trifan 600 and improve their overall financial health? Or are there other factors at play?
So it's not just about raising money.
Right.
It's about how they spend it.
Exactly.
What else should be on our radar?
Keep an eye on their 2025 strategic plan.
Okay.
Are they hitting their milestones?
Their milestone.
Remember, actions speak louder than words.
Yeah.
We need to see real progress
Mhm.
towards those ambitious goals.
Okay.
Plus, there's the broader VTOL market itself.
Okay.
Is it growing as rapidly as projections suggest?
Good point.
Are new competitors emerging that could threaten XTI's position?
It sounds like investing in XTI is not for the faint of heart.
No, it's not.
There's huge potential, but also some very real risks.
It is.
What would you say is the key thing listeners should be thinking about right now?
The big question
Yeah.
is XTI Aerospace the right fit for your investment portfolio?
For their portfolio.
Do the potential rewards outweigh those very real risks we've talked about?
Yeah, we've talked about it a lot.
Each investor has their own goals, risk tolerance, and strategy.
Right. That's what makes investing so fascinating.
It's absolutely.
It's like a puzzle.
It is.
And today, we've tried to give you the pieces you need to figure out XTI Aerospace.
Exactly. We've only scratched the surface today.
Okay.
We encourage you to do your own research, dig into their financials,
Yeah.
read industry reports,
Okay.
stay up to date on the latest news in the VTOL space.
Okay.
The more knowledge you have, the better equipped you'll be to make those tough decisions.
And speaking of staying up to date,
Yes.
we've got a lot more to cover on XTI Aerospace.
We do.
So stay tuned. We'll be back right after this.
Sounds good. So let's dive a bit deeper into XTI's financials.
Okay.
Because that's where things get really interesting.
Okay.
As we mentioned, their current ratio is a bit concerning at 0.46.
Right.
It indicates potential struggles to meet short-term financial obligations.
So even with all the excitement surrounding the TriFan 600 and this favorable regulatory environment, they're still walking a financial tightrope.
Exactly. And this is where the details of that public offering we discussed become crucial.
Okay.
They're offering over 363 million shares at $0.05 per share, aiming to raise about $20 million.
Could you break down the mechanics of that for our listeners?
For sure.
A public offering at such a low price when their stock is surging seems counterintuitive.
It's a common strategy for companies in growth mode,
Okay.
especially those facing liquidity challenges like XTI. By offering a large number of shares at a relatively low price, they aim to attract a wider pool of investors and raise the capital they desperately need.
So it's a calculated risk.
Yes.
They're essentially diluting the value of existing shares to gain access to a cash infusion.
That's right.
What should investors be watching for to gauge whether this gamble pays off?
Transparency is key.
Okay.
Investors should closely examine how XTI allocates those funds.
Okay.
Are they being channeled directly into research and development for the TriFan 600?
Okay.
Are they strengthening their manufacturing capabilities or perhaps investing in strategic partnerships?
So it's not just about the money.
Right.
It's about strategic spending.
Exactly.
What else should be on our radar?
Keep a close eye on the VTOL market as a whole.
Okay. The VTOL market.
Is it expanding as rapidly as projections suggest?
Okay.
Are there other players emerging that could pose a competitive threat to XTI
Right.
and the TriFan 600?
That's an important point.
Yeah.
XTI's success hinges not only on their own execution,
Right.
but also on the overall growth and adoption of this groundbreaking technology.
Yeah, for sure.
How does the TriFan 600 stack up against the competition?
So
What makes it unique?
The TriFan 600 stands out for a few reasons.
Okay.
First, its range is impressive for a VTOL aircraft,
Okay.
targeting up to 350 nautical miles.
Wow. 350.
This opens up possibilities for regional travel that simply aren't feasible
Okay.
with helicopters or other short-range VTOL options.
So think city-to-city travel,
Exactly.
bypassing congested airports.
That's right.
That's a game changer.
It is.
What about payload capacity?
Okay.
How many passengers can this thing carry?
The TriFan 600 is designed to accommodate 5 passengers plus a pilot.
5 passengers.
It's aiming for that sweet spot between private jets and helicopters,
Okay.
offering a level of luxury and convenience currently lacking in the VTOL market.
It sounds like they're targeting a very specific niche.
They are.
But with all this talk about the TriFan 600,
Yeah.
let's not forget about those potential red flags we discussed earlier.
Right.
Their current financial situation, particularly their liquidity challenges,
Yeah.
can't be ignored.
You're absolutely right. While the TriFan 600 has the potential to disrupt the aviation industry, XTI's success is far from guaranteed.
Right.
Their ability to manage their finances effectively,
Okay.
execute their strategic plan,
Yeah.
and navigate a rapidly evolving market will ultimately determine their fate.
So it's a high-stakes game with no easy answers.
It is.
What's the one question our listeners should be asking themselves as they consider XTI?
The fundamental question for any investor is whether the potential rewards outweigh the risks.
Outweigh the risks.
In XTI's case, those risks are very real.
Yeah.
Their current financial situation is precarious.
Okay.
The VTOL market is still in its early stages, and competition is heating up.
But on the flip side, the potential rewards are enormous if they can pull it off.
That's true.
We're talking about a company that could revolutionize short-haul travel.
Yeah.
Tap into a multi-billion-dollar market.
Right.
And potentially deliver significant returns for early investors.
It's a classic high-risk, high-reward scenario.
It is.
And that's what makes investing so fascinating.
It's a roller coaster of emotions and calculations.
Yeah.
But the potential payoff can be huge.
For sure.
So as we wrap up our discussion on XTI Aerospace, what's the key takeaway for our listeners?
XTI is a company at a crucial juncture.
Okay.
They have a lot working in their favor.
Yeah.
Innovative technology, a supportive regulatory landscape, and a bold vision.
Yeah.
But they also face substantial financial challenges.
Right.
And need to demonstrate their ability to execute their plans effectively.
So investors should proceed with cautious optimism.
I think that's a good way to put it.
Closely monitor their progress.
Yeah.
And be prepared for a potentially bumpy ride. It's been a fascinating look at XTI Aerospace.
It has.
Ticker symbol XTIA.
Yeah.
We've covered a lot of ground today.
We have.
From their revolutionary Trifan 600 aircraft to their ambitious plans for taking a leading role in the VTOL market.
Absolutely. A lot of ambition there.
And let's not forget about those financial hurdles they're facing.
Yeah, definitely something to keep an eye on.
Especially those liquidity challenges.
Sure.
It's a classic story of innovation.
It is.
Ambition and the financial realities of bringing a game-changing technology to market.
Yeah, it's always a balancing act.
Exactly, and it's all playing out in the fast-paced world of aviation, where the stakes are high and the future is uncertain.
That's the nature of the game.
As with any investment.
Yeah.
Thorough research.
Absolutely.
Careful consideration.
Right.
And yes, a bit of intuition are essential.
I think that's a good point.
So for all our listeners who are now intrigued by XTI Aerospace, what's the one key question they should be asking themselves right now?
I think the question is pretty simple.
Okay.
Is XTI Aerospace the right fit for your investment portfolio?
For their portfolio.
Do their potential rewards outweigh those inherent risks?
Yeah, that's the big question.
It is, and only you can answer that question.
Right.
But hopefully our discussion today has given you the information you need to make an informed decision.
That's what Investing Talk Podcast is all about.
Absolutely.
We're here to empower you with the knowledge and perspectives.
That's right.
You need to navigate the complex world of investing.
It's a wild world out there.
It is.
Remember, the best investment is one that aligns with your financial goals.
Yeah.
Your risk tolerance and your overall investment strategy.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
Thanks.
And don't forget to do your own research.
Always a good idea.
Dig deeper into XTI Aerospace.
Yep.
Explore their financials, read industry reports, and stay informed about what's happening in the VTL sector.
That's how you stay ahead of the curve.
Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to investing.
Couldn't agree more.
Well said. And on that note, we've reached the end of our look into XTI Aerospace.
Well, this has been fun.
We hope you found this episode informative,
yeah,
engaging, and maybe even a bit inspiring.
I hope so.
It's been a pleasure sharing our insights with you.
Likewise.
And as always, we encourage you to subscribe to Investing Talk Podcast.
Yes.
Share this episode with your fellow investors and leave us a comment with your thoughts on XTI Aerospace.
We'd love to hear from you.
We love hearing from you. Until next time, happy investing.
Happy investing, everyone.